Career Through Curricular Minds, a channel can gain knowledge. My name is Avisha. I study in 12th High School Grade 5. Today we're going to learn about the Imagination, Part 3. In the previous video, we learned about the objectives and the principles of the UN. In this video, we're going to learn about the organs of the UN. Every government has its own organs and roles and functions. Similarly, the UN also has many organs, and these are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Secretariat, the Economy and Social Council, the International Court of Justice, and the Trusteeship Council. Let's know about the General Assembly. The General Assembly includes all the countries that are members of the UN. All these members meet once in a year and discuss various issues and international problems. More sessions can be held if it is required, and the final decision is taken after voting. Each member of each nation has one vote, similarly to elections. The Assembly discusses issues and suggests peaceful settlement of problems and disputes in a country. It also manages the budget of the UN and appoints members to other organs of the UN. Here is the image of the Hall of the General Assembly where all the countries' members come to meet. Thank you for learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Wait for part 4.